My name's Patrick Rowe. My role at Ploughman Craven is Senior UAS Surveyor. I sort of work on projects ranging from inspections all the way up to large photogrammetry models. And then from there, I sort of manage the jobs now as well. My sort of top 3 points when using the Elios 3 are the ease of viewing the data. So Flyability, the software, it's really nice to actually view your data and check your data on site. My second one would be the safety aspect. My third one would be just generally the extra flight time that you get with the Elios 3 as opposed to the older ones. It does help on sometimes when you're in a bit of a tricky situation. The overall mission in a recent Scans BIM project I was a part of, we scanned the exterior of a pub, which was very dilapidated. You couldn't go in, there was falling down ceilings and it was very dangerous. So we flew the internals with the Elios 3 and added that to our terrestrial scan data to create a model. We got point cloud data, so this was accurately put onto the OS grid using laser scans from the exterior. We joined this into the data through the doorway. And then from there we created floor plans and a BIM model. The BIM model created was somewhere between level of detail 100 and 200. This was just purely because certain areas we couldn't access as well, so the scan data was a bit more sparse, and then other areas we pushed for LOD 200. The client was really happy with the results, just purely for not having to send anyone in there. Now they've got the data they need to do any repairs or remedial works to the building.